My project is called Pizza Place. My goal was to make a program that would take your pizza order and add up your price. The screen shows a menu with numbers next to the topping name. To choose the toppings, you have to type in the number. This is my program. So basically, the numbers with the F on it, next to it, are the price, and these are the names of the toppings. And then over here, these are the numbers that you type in to choose what toppings you want. Test. I tested my program too many times to count. One problem I had is that the program wouldn't save your order. To fix this, I created a loop that saved it. What do you think? If I could change my program, I would add more toppings and raise the price. Here's our demo.
It's already open.
So I can choose my toppings. Do you have, what should I choose?
Pepperoni. Can you tell us what are you doing?
So I'm typing in the number next to the toppings, and then it's saving it. And then once I put in the number 28, it gives me the price. So basically, it all adds up to $1.05. 50 cents.
50 cents.
Any questions?
In your program slide, what does the F next to the number mean?
It means it's like a decimal number. It means like a decimal number.
Hey, anyone else?
Did you like your project? Yeah.
All right, let's give a round of applause.